everybody! Welcome to episode 5 of Caro Cooks. Happy New Year! This episode is going to be a little bit boring because we're all cooking the same thing today. It's 2021. Everybody's cooking black-eyed peas and collard greens. I found a one-pot recipe that's really quick, really easy. I'm tired because I got a baby and a 6-year-old and it's New Year's Day, and it's raining outside. So the format for this one's going to be a little bit different because I'll be singing a New Year's song during this recipe. It's a song by Peggy Lee, and I hope you enjoy. All of those who are hither and yonder, with love in our hearts, we grow fonder and fonder. Hail to those we hold so dear, and hail to those who are gathered here in a happy new year. To all that is living, to